The best you can get from a laptop PC is to run very fast and smoothly while playing game or while doing any other important thing on it, most especially while you watch and play game on your computer. But a lot of users, a lot of gamers have issue with play game on computer because their computer runs slowly. Now let's quickly take a look at CPU on our system, how the process works on our system. This has a lot of effect on our computer and it gives a lot of information on how our computer performs when we run on it. So right click here, then click on Task Manager. Once you click on Task Manager, it comes out like this. Then go and click on the performance. Then up under performance, make sure you click on this CPU. You can see that this system is running about 103 processor. This is very high, guys. To be frank and sincere, this is very high. It is because there are some settings that I need to put in place that I ignore. That is why this CPU is as high as this. So I will start from the very first place in this place, and I'll take you to the rest of the process in this video. So the first you have to do is to be sure that you come to the startup button here. Make sure that if you have any app that is using your computer here, and try as much as you can, guys, and disable it. What it happens is this: whenever you tap the power button on your computer, every app that listed here run on the background of your computer, thereby causing the processing on your device to be very high because they use your processor. And that is why you need to turn off these startup apps here so that your apps will run at minimum update. So like this one now, this update I don't need it here. Right click and disable it. So this will also reduce the amount of processor that my computer use. Then this security is active. I think I need to enable that. Then the HP manager service is also active and I need to enable it because it's the status is not that really effective. But if you have tons of apps that is here, this might be the reason your computer is misbehaving, and that is might be the reason that the CPU of your computer is very high. Now close this window. Now the next thing you have to do is very simple, is to come to this search bar, type in GPU. Once type in GPU, it brings to this interface. Now click on this button that says graphics settings. Once you click on the button, now it comes out like this. You have yourself at this place. A lot of people make mistake of these settings. Majority of YouTubers ask you to turn it on, and this might cause your device to run slowly, even to lag sometimes. Sometimes it may hang and you may not be able to do anything. So open this change default graphics setting. Now you can see that my own is turned on. Optimization for windowed games. Then reduce latency and use advanced feature in compatible games by using flip presentation model. You will need to restart your games for change to take place. So turn off this button. Make sure that this button is turned off on your own. So if it is turned on, make sure that this button is turned off on your own. This is going to do a great business on your device. It makes your device to run very fast if you turn this off. The next thing you have to do is to come back to this place again and type in power plan. Now click on this button that says power plan. Once you click on this, then come back to this button that says power option. Click on it. Here you have series of power option here. Like now you have the balance, you have the ultimate performance. I'm very sure you will not have this ultimate performance on your device. It is not your fault because some system have it installed by default and some you need to activate it yourself. So if your one is not activated like the one you see here, I will help you to do that in a moment. But before that, let's talk about what we have here. We have the ultimate performance, we have the balanced performance, which is recommended, we have the high performance, and we have the power saver. So we have about 5 performances here. So let's come back to this place. I want to use the ultimate performance. When you click on it, you can see that you see some changes that comes out here. The brightness of the system is also increased. Now come over and click on this change plan. Once you click on the change plan, then come to this place and click on this button, change advanced power button option. Once you click on it, then make sure that you are under the ultimate performance active. You can see, so make sure that you are here active. Now scroll down to the processor. Here we deal with processor. Scroll down. Now you have the maximum state, you have the minimum state. So on the minimum state, click on it or click on this button. Then on battery, let it be 15%. Then unplug 100% is good. Then here on processor 100%, then click on apply click on OK. So with this, guys, your computer will run very fast and is going to give you the best of the computer. Now back to this place, you do not have this ultimate performance on your device. Then here is the code you need to add so that you have this on your device. Go to the video description, guys. I will drop this code here. Just copy this code. As you copy from here, let me copy, right click and copy, then write PowerShell in the search section here. PowerShell, this button, right click and run as administrator. So if it brings yes, then tap yes, then just right click to bring this code here, then just hit the enter button on your device. Once you hit the enter button, you may likely to restart your computer. If you restart your computer and it does not work, then try it again. And if you restart again and it does not work, and you've added it correctly as I've explained and it does not work, then guys, I'm sorry, maybe your computer is not compatible to use this amazing command on its own. But if your computer is good, then you'll be able to have access to this on this. So let me add this enter. You can see, let me add the enter and see if it's going to add to the power plan again on a device. But if you restart your computer, then you're going to get the power plan again on your device. You can see it has added it here, ultimate, and here we have the ultimate. It has added it immediately. So with this, guys, you've been able to use your computer and your computer will run perfectly and the system will be active and run smoothly. So this is the only way, guys, you can improve your performance and you can improve your PC with the highest optimization in 2026. If you enjoyed this video and you've not subscribed, please hit 1 second, and that's what you can do, guys, to motivate me. Can subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and drop your comments in the comment section.